The IRIS-T is a German-led program to develop a short to medium-range infrared homing air-to-air missile to replace the AIM-9 Sidewinder found in some NATO member countries. Any aircraft capable of firing the Sidewinder is also capable of launching the IRIS-T. In the 1980s, NATO countries signed a memorandum of agreement that the United States would develop a medium-range air-to-air missile to replace the AIM-7 Sparrow, while the UK and Germany would develop a short-range air-to-air missile to replace the AIM-9 Sidewinder. The US design developed as the AIM-120 AMRAAM, while the UK-German design developed as the AIM-132 ASRAAM. The roots of the ASRAAM dated back to 1968, when development began on the Hawker Siddeley SRAAM, but this project ended in 1974 with no production orders. This work was dusted off for the UK-German effort, with the Germans providing a new seeker and the UK providing most of the remaining components. In the intervening time, the need for high maneuverability was downgraded in favor of greater range. After German reunification in 1990, Germany found itself with large stockpiles of the Soviet Vimpel R-73 missiles carried by the MiG-29 Fulcrum and concluded that the AA-11's capabilities had been noticeably underestimated. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.